So you can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are very accurate teams. Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create best teams for today's match between RCB versus Punjab Kings. So this is the software we are going to use. First of all, click on cricket here, and after that we have lot of options available. So this is the edit player data option. So in this section, if you want to change any data of the player, for example AB de Villiers is in wicketkeeper section in our software. If you want to change him to the batsman section, you can change in this section. So go to this section and change accordingly. So let's come to the generation part. So let's create the teams here. So first of all, let's click on generate teams, and we need to choose the fantasy, which is Dream11, and after that continue. So after that continue, and we have lot of series available. Let's click on IPL and after that continue. And we have a lot of types of generations here. So I highly suggest you to go with the advanced generation section and follow what I am doing. So if you may face some loss if you go with smart generation section, because all the teams are very risky teams. You might win, but but those teams are very risky teams. So I suggest you to go with the advanced generation section and follow my tips. So let's click on advanced generation section here, and we need to choose the teams. So the teams is in between RCB versus Punjab Kings here, and after that continue, and we need to give the match number. You can give any match number, because whatever the teams you generate those teams will be stored within your device. That is why we need match number. You can give any match number, there will be no problem. So after you can give any number. I am going to give 59 as the match number, and after that continue. And we need to select at least 6 players from each team. So we need to select at least 6 players, right? So first of all, from the RCB side, AB de Villiers, Striker Bharat, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, Devdutt Padikkal, and Shadab Ahmed, Daniel Christian, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Siraj, and UG Chahal, and G. Garton. These will be the probable playing 11 from RCB side, and from the Kings level Punjab side also. Let's quickly select Lokesh Rahul, Nicholas Puran, Mayank Agarwal, Aidan Markram, and Shahrukh Khan, F. Allen, Deepak Hoda, and Mohammad Shami, Ravi Bishnoi, Arshdeep Singh, and Illis. So these are the probable 11 from Punjab Kings side, and after that continue. We need to select the fixed player section. So we need to select, if you want to fix any player in your teams, you can select any player here. So this is a very powerful section as well as a risky section. So as Virat Kohli is in very good form, I am going to fix Virat Kohli, and also Harshal Patel also is in very good form. I am going to fix these two. That is your choice. If you want to fix other players, you can also fix. These are my strategies for today. And after that continue, and we need to select the players you want to consider for captain. So captain selection, we need to select players. So I am going to select AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli, Glenn Maxwell, Devdutt Padikkal, and Harshal Patel, and Yuzvendra Chahal. And from the Punjab Kings side, Lokesh Rahul, Mayank Agarwal. And if you want to select, you can also select Ravi Bishnoi also. So these are the 9 players I have selected in the captain section, and after that continue and go with the vice captain section here. I'm going to select more players in vice captain section. So let's go here, and Harshal Patel and Yuzvendra Chahal, and from the Punjab Kings side, Lokesh Rahul, Nicholas Puran, Mayank Agarwal, Aidan Markram, and Mohammad Shami, and Ravi Bishnoi. I have selected these many players for vice captain selection, and after that continue. And we need to select the partition strategy here. Today in this match, RCB are in favorite side because they are in very good form. So let's go with the RCB side. So RCB is team 1, so we need to select more players from team 1. So 7-4 and 6-5. These are the 2 strategies I am going to go with for today, because I am expecting RCB will be the winning side. And after that continue. We need to give the credit range. I suggest you to go with 98 to 100 today, and after that continue. and we need to select the at least one strategy here. So we have lot of wicket keeper batsmen. So you need to remember that, because Lokesh Rahul, Nicholas Puran and Striker Bharat, these are the 3 wicket keeper batsmen. So all these 3 are in good form. So go with 2 wicket keeper strategy players, 2 wicket keeper strategies, 2-3-3 and 2-3-2-4 and 2-4-2-3, 2-5-1-3 and 2-4-1-4, and so these are the 5 strategies I am going with, because there are 3 wicketkeeper batsmen, out of which 2 of them will definitely perform well. So I am expecting like that. That's why I'm going to go with all these 5 strategies, and after that continue. And we need to give them a number of teams you want to create. Here you can give any number of teams. I want to give 20, and so you can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are very accurate teams, because we have used a lot of our strategies, and you will definitely win a lot of money if you follow these tips. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.